Did you know history's most powerful book on gaining power was written by a man who had lost everything? Niccolo Machiavelli once walked the halls of Florence as a respected diplomat. He had influence. He had respect. He had a future. Then in one day, it all vanished. The Medici family returned to power and branded him an enemy. They arrested him, tortured him with ropes, banished him to a tiny farm in exile. Most men would have given up. Most men would have accepted defeat. But every evening, Machiavelli did something extraordinary. He would dress in his finest clothes, light a candle, and sit down to write. In that small room, he penned The Prince, a book that would outlive empires. He wrote that it's better to be feared than loved, that the ends justify the means. These weren't just theories. They came from his pain. Here's the lesson. Your greatest setback might be setting you up for your greatest comeback. Sometimes you have to lose everything to create something that lasts forever. Your exile might be your opportunity.